What's up, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. I'm here to show you some accessories for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. I got quite a bit, got a few things here. I got some more stuff coming, but everything seems to be coming in at a slow pace. And if I wait for everything, this video wouldn't be filmed for at least another month. But I'm going to show you what I have so far. And I want to leave all the prices and everything and the links down below. So please feel free, if you see anything that you like, to pick it up. Also, if this is your first time here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for future videos like this. So first up, I have been using probably this case more consistently than any other one. And it's the leather flip cover case for the Fold. It's pretty unique. I like this Alcantara type of feel, real soft fabric on the inside, real leather. I've been pretty much using this one the most. Again, it's a nice fit. It isn't really tablet friendly because you get that extra flap, but for the most part, it's just been pretty stylish and pretty much been my go-to case that I've been using. But this is the actual, this is a pretty nice case. Got a nice little strap. The front kind of flips down when it wants to. It seems like there's not a strong magnet to it, but it is something holding it together. And you can charge with this case. So this is the leather flip cover case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Next up is the flip cover with the pen. I might have used this case maybe once. Now with the what comes inside of this this packaging is the actual case. You get some tips for the pen. You also get a tool to remove the pen from the front of the pen. The pen does have a button to kind of activate it. It's not the Pro. It's a real nice case. I mean, it's a nice pen, very responsive. The case itself doesn't have quite the smooth interior like the leather one, but it is a soft material here. You can remove the back part of it where the S Pen is holstered in at. Looks really nice. Got to make sure everything is clicked in together. This case and the leather case, I don't look for this case to be heavy duty protective. There's no type of magnet to hold the case together, but this is more just for looks. One thing that I don't like about this particular case is the fact that, again, where you have to holster the S Pen. If you were rocking this as a one setup, it'll get a lot of rockiness due to the S Pen being in the back of this case. So makes it pretty hard to actually want to use this case on a regular basis. Again, you really would like to keep the S Pen and the case together so you don't lose these S Pens, but I don't know. Samsung could have done a better job. Next up is the Spigen Thin Fit. Now, I do have a couple of Spigen cases coming in, but this just happened to be the first one to make it in. Now, this might end up being the one that I use. I'm kind of a little hesitant on using this because it does have a lot of tape you need to use to help hold the phone in place. So what you do is you got the front face and the back plate, and you have to peel these off and pretty much just place this on your phone. So I guess you don't get a lot of movement. But right now I'm not ready to use this one. But let me just see. Let me go ahead and try and set it up. Sure. Now, once you get everything all set up, this does make for a much more sleeker look for your phone. You don't get the flappy leather portions of the case moving around, and it makes this a much more easier setup than using the leather cases. This is the thin fit, and out of all the cases, this one will probably give you the best protection. It does have a little bit, you know, more rounded protection in the corners, and but the only thing that would be exposed is this bar if it was to fall. So there's nothing to protect that. They do have cases where you have like a strap or some type of material that will connect the back plate to the front part of the case, but this case doesn't have that type of setup. I know Spigen do have some cases that work like that. Also, it does come with instructions to show you how to set it up. Also, you would need to hold on to these instructions. So if you were to, let's say, change cases and decided to come back, you can use this extra tape to reset everything else up so you can properly set up the case and have it adhere to your phone so the case won't, you know, slide off or pop off if it was to fall. So make sure you hold on to all of this stuff. Now my final accessory is the wireless charger trio. Now with this, you can charge your phone, you can charge your Galaxy Watch, and if you have some Galaxy Buds, you can charge all three items at one time with this. Okay, let's see what else you get inside. You got the charging pad, quick start guide. You have a C to C, Type C setup. Super fast charging brick. I think this is like a 25 watt. I don't know why they call this supercharge. Charging, but hey, call it what you want. I'm a little disappointed as far as the actual length of the cable. On the bottom, you do have 2 grip pads to hold it where it won't slide around on your desk, table, or nightstand. You got your port right here. We'll plug this up in there. All right, got everything set up real quick. And let's see if everything charged. I do got some older Galaxy Bud. Let's check that out. See if that's charging. Okay, I had that in the wrong spot, and this is where the watch goes. Boom, got all 3 charging, the phone, the Buds, and the Galaxy Watch. So this device, you know, is a good thing to have for somebody's desk setup. So this is the wireless charger trio. So that pretty much does it for my accessory videos for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. If you have any questions, I'm going to have all the links to all of these products down below and the cost of them. Other than that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch everybody in the next one. I'm out.